Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fabulous world of seasonal makeup trends. Because who doesn't want to look hot while staying on trend? Grab your brushes and let's see what's sizzling right now. First up, we have the ever-popular glowy skin. But wait, this season, it's getting an upgrade. We're calling it glass skin. Absolutely! We all want to look like freshly glazed donuts, right? This look is all about shining so bright that you might blind someone who gets too close. Hydrating primers, lightweight foundations, and liquid highlighters are your new best friends. Now let's talk lips. Gloss is back and shinier than ever. Forget matte. This season, it's all about deep reds, rich berries, and plums so glossy they could double as a slip and slide. And lastly, the brushed up brow is in. Because nothing says effortlessly cool like spending 15 minutes making it look like you didn't. A little brow gel and boom, you're giving serious "I woke up like this" vibes. Next up, let's chat about bold eyes. This season is all about vibrant colors and dramatic looks. Think bright blues, fiery oranges, and even some graphic eyeliner to make your eyes pop. If you're feeling adventurous, try layering colors or adding some sparkly glitter. Remember, makeup is art, so go ahead and paint that masterpiece. And what's a look without some color? Blush is making a comeback, and we're talking bold shades that scream, "I just got back from a tropical getaway!" Swipe it generously on your cheeks, and why not your eyelids too for that monochromatic vibe? Who doesn't love a multitasker? And that's your seasonal makeup trend guide. Whether it's glass skin, glossy lips, or bold eyes, have fun with it. Which trend are you trying? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beauty updates. Stay fabulous and see you next time.